Hey guys, I'm Ari, and usually I say that I live in Los Angeles, but it was. Now you can see a guy who broke up with his girlfriend and left California to explore more states and cities. It looks like 100,000 miles of driving alone with YouTube and Apple Music only. I put the half of the room in my car. It was really difficult, guys, and after a couple of hours I had some problems with my tire, but I was able to fix it by myself and didn't spend much time for waiting someone. A few more places, different weather, a great nature, and now I am in Texas. Alright, next stop, Austin State, Texas. Let's go. Texas is large, so large state. I thought I was lost where nobody can find me anymore. My friends told me that Texas is a dream. So many people move here every day to find a better life than they had before. Probably I'm trying to do something like this. But I'm from California and local people in Texas don't really like anyone from the Golden State. And also I think they will be surprised when they understand that I'm from Russia. I'm not American, and this is funny. So Austin is a very cute and compact city. Yeah, of course I've been only in downtown and haven't seen a lot, but after a day spending there, I can really say that I like this place. I like Austin. Yeah. This city is very fresh, a lot of people, different ages, so many open places to visit and sit with friends, and all the local people looked very happy.
So the main idea why I come here is just to check it out, check out the city, because I've never been here and I have to understand, can I live here and can I shoot music videos here like I did and like I made in Los Angeles, because LA is different, marijuana, weed is illegal, people just came to California to, to relax, to chill, to shoot music videos and stuff like that, but I can't say anything like this about Texas, because Texas is a different state.
It was very unusual to find some homeless in Austin under the bridges, but 2020 probably was very hard for everyone, and many people can say that Austin and Texas is a different place than another states in USA, but of course you can always find something the same.
But you guys, if you are American, just let me know what do you think about this state. Have you been here? What do you think about local people? Because for me it looks unusual. I feel, the weather is different, and it's like in Russia after. Okay, so that. Alright, never mind. I parked my car right here and just check it out, guys. If you see this old house, and right here is something more, modern. This is really interesting. It looks like San Francisco sometimes, because this is like a hill. My car, I hope it will be fine, and very peaceful place.
And I have to say a few more words about local parks, because in LA, the place I'm from, even you go somewhere you can always find some homeless people, and for California this is a huge problem right now.
And this is a little bit unusual to walk here, because we don't have any cathedral, how to say cathedral in Los Angeles. Probably I could find something like this somewhere in Santa Barbara, but not exactly the cathedral. It looks amazing for me, because I like museums so much and I miss it all. Because when I was in Russia, I went to museums and theaters and cinema like every week, so this is like a part of cultural life for me. So it looks very cool. The last time when I've seen something like this, it was somewhere, probably in San Francisco, the capital. The cathedral. How to say it? Sometimes English is so hard for me, guys. What is that? Texas capital. Okay, yeah, this is Texas capital. I knew it. And we can see downtown. Oh, I wanted to say downtown LA as usual, but this is downtown of Austin. Very clean city, very clean. But not so clean like I thought before, because I've seen, a couple of homeless people staying somewhere under the bridges and on the streets, so yeah, probably it happens everywhere.
Alright, it's time to say goodbye to this room. Yeah, you know, probably it was the best room that I rented for the last couple of days, but I paid like $90 per night somewhere in Austin. I think that's why it was, you know, a bit expensive than I rented before, because the last place was for $40 only, so this is totally different. And finally I was able to edit some stuff for YouTube for you guys, because you know I have Wi-Fi here. I had some times for that, and also TV. It was a night with movies and beer, so I feel a bit tired. Just woke up like 15 minutes ago, 7:30. Time to go outside to get my breakfast, because the breakfast is included. Yeah, let's go check out. Alright guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I am in different state right now, but you guys, you will see it in the next episode. So if you really enjoyed this video, please put a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I mean, for me, this is just beginning. I have like 100 or 150 subscribers. It's not a lot, guys. And about Texas, probably I would say that I am not really want to live there at this moment of my life, because probably I'm looking for something different, because I shoot music videos and I'm looking for a place where I can do that, right? But for sure I'll come back to see another cities in Texas, because Austin was awesome. This is a wonderful place, and probably I understood why people just move there, but what I'm trying to say that it is not my kind of place, you know what I mean? But okay guys, I'll see you next time. Всем пока!